How's it going, guys? It's Jesse from Hollow Boys, and today we're starting off the year with a new project, my LN167 dual cab Hilux, 1999 3-litre turbo diesel. Pretty good setup already, but I will be pulling this apart from scratch and starting again because I want to spray paint it. I'm using purple TXT paint, and I'll be doing everything. So the cab and the doors of the canopies will be the purple. The accessories such as the tray, the sides of the canopy, side steps, roof rack, bull bar, everything else will be black TXT paint. But to do so, we have to pull apart everything to spray paint. It's got a rooftop tent, King's rooftop tent, King's 270 awning, two 700 wide by 1800 long canopies, one half dog box, the other one thing. Oh, that one's locked. Don't really need to show that one because it's already open, but there you go. See if the other side's unlocked. No, locked at the moment. That's got my 12-volt system in it. I'll show you later on in the video when I open it. The inside also will be pulled out. The seats, everything. The vinyl floor, I'm putting sound and heat deadener underneath. Jimi Hendrix on the dash. .300 over GVM terrain tamer suspension. I also did that. I should have recorded it, but I didn't. 3-inch custom exhaust all the way through. And then if we go to the front of the car, ARB bull bar. I believe it's ARB. Or it could be TJM. I'm not 100% sure. It was already on the car. Same with the scrub rails. I'm not sure if they're ARB or TJM. I know that's TJM winch inside of it. And then underneath, turbo, that's Max Peating Rods T3 Universal Turbo with the stainless steel piping all the way through. Another project I'll have with it is building a custom box for my pod, and that will also connect with the snorkel. It's pretty dirty under here. This will all be cleaned as well, and bits and pieces sprayed, such as the top of the front of the turbo and the rocker cover will both be purple, and possibly even the radiator. I've got a pre-filter to go in here as well from Terrain Tamer. A poorly cut hole for the scoop. Just, it's not very well. I don't really like it, so that will be changed as well. Its name is Hazey, or Haze, because of Purple Haze, Jimi Hendrix. These are, actually I don't even know what brand these are. I don't even know what brand these are. They were already on the car as well. I just needed to connect them. And then, yeah, I think that's about it. I think that's all that needs to be stated at the moment. I'll show you the inside of my canopy. Okay, this is the canopy open. King's 12-volt system, all connected. Looks pretty weird on there. There you go. Huh. Look at that. Sorry, I got distracted. Connected via solar panel. Solar panel is permanently up there as well. Inverter. King's battery. I don't know what brand that inverter is. DC-DC charger, that's all set up. It's connected to the alternator via this cable, which is also blown, so I'll be replacing that cable as well. These cables, I'm not 100% sure what they're connected to. They were there when I brought the car. It looks like they are connected to nothing, but I'll be finding them and getting rid of them. So there's some hanging cables as well there, such as that. There's nothing in that. Replace that, and then I'll just get it started for a second. Glow plug, diesel glow plug, and it was. No fan shroud, so I'll be getting a fan shroud as well. Fucking hangs there. No fan shroud. You put one there. This will be held up as well. Nothing holding that at the moment. It just hangs there as well. I'll be building a plate off this for that. Someone took my foot up. So that's Hazey, or Haze, Purple Haze. So I'll be recording in stages, us pulling it apart, us spraying it, putting it back together, and then resetting it up. So my canopy, I'll give a quick gist as well. The 12-volt system will be staying pretty much as is. I'll just close that off a little bit so shit don't get hit. I'll be building some drawers here, some just slide in, slide out drawers, nothing too serious, nothing expensive, nothing heavy, just easy, cheap drawers. That's my toolkit, all my Makita stuff. So I'll be also doing a what goes in comes out style for my touring, except for my tools, because I also run my business out of this this car. So they're 31s at the moment. They will be 33s eventually as well. And then yeah,